Understanding a honey of a, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and somewhat sweet-sounding English phrase, a honey of a. This phrase might sound a bit unusual, especially if English isn't your first language. So, in this video, we'll explore what it means, how it's used, and give you some examples to help you understand and use it confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. A honey of a is an idiomatic expression used to describe something that is exceptionally good, outstanding, or of high quality. The word honey here isn't just about the sweet substance made by bees but is used metaphorically. It implies that just as honey is sweet and valued, anything described as a honey of a is considered sweet in the metaphorical sense, excellent or very pleasing. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help in grasping their meanings better. The phrase, a honey of a, comes from the way honey is often seen as a desirable and high-quality substance. Over time, this led to the use of honey in various expressions as a way to denote something pleasant or agreeable. This phrase, therefore, adopts honey's positive connotations to describe other things. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. That was a honey of a performance. This means the performance was outstanding. 2. She found a honey of a deal at the store. Here, it means she found an excellent or very advantageous deal. 3. He's a honey of a player. This suggests that the player is exceptionally good. Like many idiomatic expressions, a honey of a can be tweaked slightly while keeping its original meaning. You might hear, a real honey of a, such a honey of a. These variations still convey the idea of something being outstanding or of high quality. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, a honey of a. It's a sweet way to express admiration or approval of something or someone. Try using it in your conversations to add a bit of flavor to your English. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.